We received a question from one of our customers, and he asked if he can create a grid with a listing of his multiple products. So what does he mean? He showed us this particular page and asked if it is possible to create a similar grid inside Grawt, and it is definitely possible. So let me show you in this video how you can create something similar. If I go to my Grawt account, let's create a demo page and we will build it from scratch. I will just name it listings. For this demonstration, let's create a folder demos and choose this folder so I keep it separate, and let's hit this create page. This will create a blank page inside Grawt, and the best way to achieve this type of grid is start with a block. You can certainly create it from scratch using the elements, but I will suggest start with a block for quick processing. So what we can do, go to the content and let's try to find something that is close to this particular grid. Okay, so I think we might use this because it has you can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 columns and a similar look. Or if there is anything else, we might use this as well, but let's go with this. So what you need to do is just drag it here, and we don't need this section, we can delete it. You can see it is a dark background and it has different colors. Don't worry about it, we will be making changes one by one. So first let's analyze this grid. It has one image, then a heading, then some text and a button. Let's delete this icon, click on this and delete it, and we can keep this heading. For the text, it says heading, but we might need text, so we will drag a text here. Let's click on this content, then elements, and we can just simply drag this text and select this heading, delete it. We also need a button beneath it, so go back again, and where is okay, here it is, a button, so I will just drag the button. And we also need an image on top, so we can just drag this image and upload. I already had downloaded this image, so let's just upload it. Okay, you can already actually see that it's coming into the shape, but let's continue with. So what I can say, GPT is what was there, GPT is unleashed. Okay, but the thing is this heading is center aligned, so we can do this. And for this text, let's copy this text, and actually if you directly paste the text, it could bring the formatting. So what I did, I actually pasted it in the address bar and then copied it again, and let's paste it. I can see this button is full width, so let's select our button, and inside the size you can see we have a block. Let's use it. And I also see that this button has an icon, so we can enable this icon, and let's say a link. Okay, we have got this link. Now we need to change the text. Click for details. Okay, and in the styling, if you want some spacing for your icon, you can do it easily. So you can see it's super easy. You can do whatever you want. Okay, and now we need to do some color changes and all that. What we can do, select this text. What I see is I see there is space in the bottom but no space on top, so we can go and in the spacing, yeah, I see in the bottom but no space on top, so let's put the same space on top as well to 10. And I think this looks good. Now we just need to change the fonts, etc. So I see we are using paragraph. Let's go to the fonts and see paragraph, and it is some different. Let's see if we have this Lato font. Yeah, it is there, and the font size was 15px, so I will do this. And if you want bold or crisp, you can change it. For the color, it uses the black color. We already have these colors defined, so these are all of our colors that currently we are using, and we can change. If you want to create more color, you can add new color. So for the text color, we might use some dark one, black one. Let's remove this dark background, and so you click on this outside of these boxes, so this will select the whole section, and click on styles, go to background and click on this color. We don't need this, we want white or default transparent, so click on clear. This will clear the background color. By the way, I like this black and on white background, but since we want to make it similar to this, so let's continue with it. We need to remove the background color of this column as well. So when I mouse over, it says column, click on this and go to background, click on this and clear it again. Okay, so we are getting closer, but I see our screen, our heading is okay, let me select it. Oh, I see this is white color, we can clear it. So we were using custom color, and so I have this heading, this color, and now for button. First let's change the background color of this button. So if I click on this button, let's select this blue color, and if you are wondering where from this blue color is coming, it is coming from this button color that I already have, or if you drag this particular block, you will have it. Now the problem is this button text color, right? So this typography, and go back to fonts, click on this button, and you can see it is using this blue color. Let's change it to white and close it. And while we are here, we can also change the font to Lato, that was our text one. Okay, so we change the font, and font size is 16, that's fine. Okay, so we have a similar box here. If we want control more on our text and all that, we can do it. Now how you replicate it to other columns. Let's delete all of the extra columns that we don't need. Okay, and I will also delete these columns, don't worry about it. Now select our column. It selects the image, but okay, column is here. If I select column, just click on this clone button, you have one. If you want more, you can have more, and we don't need this raw, so we can delete it. Now how you get 3 more at the bottom. That's really simple. You can click on column, select this column, and then click on this row. So this row has three columns. You just simply click on this duplicate button and you get 3 more. This is how you manage these listings in columns using Grawt. I hope this helps and you can create more columns like this. Thank you.